guys, I don't know about the health of, why is this dude going so slow? Dude, why did you slow down so much? Come on now. Just got an email from a national service provider, and I don't know the health of my GoPro because when I try to watch the videos, I can't watch them through my phone. It's very quirky software, so I may just have to reload it, but I'm able to download it, so hopefully it'll download okay, because my phone is uploading kind of a lame Monday morning video, and I've got 13 minutes left. However, I'm almost to this job, which is a vacant warehouse, where I have to put in a lockbox, make sure all doors are unlocked, make sure all padlocks are off gates, etc., and rekey all exterior doors. So I am about there, and it's a vacant warehouse, so I guess I get the video. But it is out here kind of in a warehouse district, so presumably some, property management company took it over and needs to be able to access it to be able to sell it. So it's a very common thing. This one we don't do a whole lot of work for. We actually don't do a whole lot of work. We do have several. We do have quite a few. Offhand, I can think of 5 or 6, but service providers that we do stuff for, and the reason why we don't do stuff for a lot of them is because we do not bill out. We make them pay with a credit card right when we're done. So we do have several NSPs, national service providers, that do use us, that happily give us the credit card, and we got a couple that refuse to do that, so we do not do work for them. And whatever, somebody else can deal with that, because over the years we've found they have horrible paying practices, and some of them have paperwork. If you read their little paperwork that you have to fill out to be a service provider, you just might want to check your paperwork if y'all filled out trying to get jobs from these companies, guys. Aside from the weight, the paperwork gives them the right to see your invoices and know exact pricing and a whole bunch of other nonsense you don't want to be part of. So take that with a grain of salt. But I am coming up on this property. Truck sounding kind of funny. I don't know if it's because it's still a little lightweight or not. Got that tire issue I got to deal with soon, soon. So there's all the warehouses up there, and that's where I'm going. So see y'all shortly. So we've got master combination locks on the gate. We're gonna try to shun those. We've got a Sergeant mortise lock right there, and then we have another gate right there. So, let's see about shimming these. See about shimming this master lock, but I don't really have. That was one of those things that I never got around to, was having a shim. And my phone's got less than a minute left, so I'm going to talk for a second here while I gather my thoughts and try to figure out where I'm going to put this lock box as well. I really am going to need all I had, because we sold the other ones last week and hadn't gotten the new ones in, is a portable lock box. I've got a permanent mount lock box. That's the main gate. But I've got freaking warehouse doors all the way down the side of this. I've got to take these off, which these are old Masters. Busted up pretty well. Let's see if I can. Very infrequently do they. Change all the numbers. Let's see, try 6,400, 8,400, 74. The wheels don't center. Say 7,300, 7,400, 7,500, 74, 90. 7410. I don't have a thin enough shim to do that. Let me go grab one. Tight. Ooh, magic. Something weird already. Very gritty. And that first pin is deep. I can already tell. So I'm gonna immediately go to SPP on this bad boy. Whew, sun's beating down on me. Something fierce. I'm sure everybody in this warehouse district's like, what's that guy doing? We can spin this. Just don't like the Sparrow's hook. And most stuff. Very grabby. Grabby, grabby. Let's see if some Rekey does right here. And I also wonder how many of these doors are keyed alike. Versus keyed different. That has me a little bit worried. Little bit worried. I really need to get a shimming thing. Let's try this bad boy here. Oh, you know what? Actually, stubborn. Stubborn because I'm filming it, probably. More than likely, yeah. Alright, I'm going to try an experiment and cut this off. Alright, I'm cutting it off. So this was a exercise in pointlessness. I don't know if I ever showed you, but like 6 doors on each side. So kind of glad they just paying me to come out here and play around. Show you how to open a master padlock, huh? See you guys.